Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you through how to delete all reposts on TikTok at once. If you go through your TikTok application and then choose any video to repost, then to repost simply click on the share button just left to it, and then there you will see an option of repost. Simply hit on that. Now to remove, go through profile and you will see repost option and simply hit on the share icon and then select remove repost. If you want to remove all of the posts at once, then hit on the report or problem option by going through the settings and then click on the chat with us, and here briefly describe that you want to delete all the reposts at once. Then TikTok team will help you out through this. So in this very easy step you can delete all reposts on TikTok at once. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.